Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rihanna and this is Beach Babe Beauty. Today we are getting into the spring 2021 Beachly box. I have it right here. I'm very excited to get into this one because I already know what's in there from spoilers, but I haven't had my hands on it yet. And I'm very excited to try it for myself. So we're gonna get right into it here. I'm gonna open her up. And it says, "Hello, sunshine." Got some pamphlets here, which I will use later. And then I'm gonna open it up. Aggressively, obviously. And we've got some really awesome stuff in here today. So let us start off with these little guys here. Aww, cute little sticker. Anyway, it's the little things. So we have got the Lanolips 101 Ointment Multi-Balm, which looks really cool. Retails for $13.50. Use Aussie lanolin, which I've never heard of. Apparently it's a cult classic, offers a safer, more effective, 100% natural alternative to common petroleum-based balms. I dig that. I like anything natural. I love the packaging, very cute. It looks like a cocoa nutter. I love it. So that looks like it would be really good. It says a little tube of magic. So hydrating, nourishing, and super intense. So the reason it's called the 101 balm or 101 ointment is because there's actually 101 ways to use it. So I will get back to you on that one and I will try to find that many ways to use it, but I'm sure I will get my fair use out of that. This is cute. So next we've got this cute little keychain from Lotus and Luna. It's the Moonstone Cowrie Shell keychain. That's so cute. It's got little cowrie shells on it and a little tassel. I love it. Handcrafted with love. Supporting female Thai artisans. I'm all about that. Handmade with, and it has an iridescent moonstone in it too. All about those crystals. So I am excited for this. And apparently the brand, like I said, is made by artisans living in villages in northern Thailand, which is really cool. So love that. We love that. I'm gonna take it out of the package. We're gonna get a real close-up look here. There she is. So you can hopefully get a good close-up of that. So cute. Can't wait to use that. And that retails for $13. And let's see, next we have, I am actually super excited about something that I have personally been wanting for a long time, but could not justify buying. And now I have my own coconut bowl, and it's nice and wrapped here. And this is to be used for very aesthetic smoothie bowls and whatever else you want to put in it. Baby ice cream, who knows, you know? Here she is, and it's got a little rainbow on it. And it's so nice. Like this is legit. This is the Jumbo Aloha Coconut Bowl by coconutbowls.com. Retails for $18. And they are actually handcrafted from real coconut shells, which you can definitely tell it's not a circle. It's a unusual shape, which makes it really cool. And it's heavy and durable like coconuts should be. So I am really excited about this. And this is a collaboration with Earthy Andy, who I follow on Instagram. And if you follow her on Instagram, you know that she uses these kind of bowls all the time to make her smoothie bowls. And I love everything she posts. So I will probably be trying to make one of her recipes in this bowl. So I'm very excited about this. It has the Coconut Bowls logo engraved on the bottom, and here is where, and it says Aloha on the bag. So cute. And one more little close-up of the cute little rainbow. I'm very excited about her. Then I'm leaving those for last. We have a solid and striped little handbag. It is called the Boho Beach crossbody bag, and it has a little dust bag here that is very cute. It has a little thing here, and it opens to this beautiful green palm print. Like, we're living for that. And it also has a long strap. This is so cute. I was worried, like, I have a little round bag like this, but it's like one of those really hard, like rigid ones. And I was worried this is gonna be, I was like, oh, I had so similar, but it's really not. It's very different. It's not, it's flat. It's not like a hard case kind of purse. So it's really cute, and I am really excited to wear this. This is a Beachly exclusive, actually, which is pretty cool. And this retails for $95. Like, that's almost the full price of your box is for this one thing, and you get all the other stuff. Like, I can't sing enough praises about this subscription box. Like, and I'm not saying this, I am very excited to actually officially announce that I am a Beachly tribe member. I'm an ambassador for the brand. So they aren't paying me, but they are working with me to create videos and make sure I get boxes early and things like that. So that's really cool, and I'm excited to see where the program goes because it is very new. But they do know I will be filming this, and I'm very excited about that. But I do really love all the stuff that they put in here, and it's affordable. I mean, if you go to the store and buy this stuff, I mean, already just for those couple things, we would have spent $100, and like, there's just something about a subscription box that makes you get excited. Like, oh, I want to find out what's going to be in the next box. And I can't wait for it to come to my doorstep. And I can't wait to see it in person. And it's like a little Christmas every couple months or every month, depending on which subscription box you have. But they're just so much fun. Like, I love it. I love it. So we love this bag. She's cute. Let's see. An upgraded take on this season's latest round bag. And I agree with that. Featuring wipeable sand repellent lining. That's awesome, especially if you're a beach gal like me. You can shove your, sandy sunglasses in there and not worry about it, and it's gonna come right out. Last but not least is the outfit, which I am both excited for and hesitant about, because as we know, I am a curvy gal and I don't always fit in these brands, but it's been really nice to be able to get a size 2X in brands like O'Neill, because they don't make a 2X in regular life. So that's really cool to me, and it definitely expands the surf brand audience, what have you. I know I've been following very closely Curvy Surfer Girl, and she lives in Hawaii. Shout out to her. She's been awesome and very responsive, and it makes me feel like a part of the team, even though I'm not there. And she's done so much great work and is making curvy surfer girls a thing. I mean, everybody can surf. You don't have to be skinny or athletic or, super built or anything like that to be able to surf. And I got a surfboard for Christmas. I cannot wait to get out there. It's still too cold here in Myrtle Beach, but I'm praying that soon I will be able to get out on my board and finally be a true surfer. But being a plus size girl, it's been hard because you feel like, oh, well, I'm too heavy to do that. I'm not fit enough to do that. I'm not, my arms aren't strong enough for that because they're heavy. And it's not true. And you could be any size. And, Elizabeth from Curvy Surfer Girl has really done a lot for that and has gotten brands like Rip Curl to work with her and expand their sizes. And I think that is just phenomenal and has really inspired me. And especially, I had just started this channel, and I feel like I'm kind of working towards a similar goal here. So we just want to be all happy beach girls is all this is. So with that being said, I am going to show you the outfit. So first we have a Saltwater Looks tank top. I'm gonna open her. It's called the Good as Gold tank, which is already cute. Oh yeah, she's cute. That looks so comfy. It's so soft. I hope you can see the graphic there. It's very soft. It's a little like muscle tee, and it has like foiled kind of wording on it. And this retails for $55. And this says, nothing says spring, like a little bit of bling. And I agree. They also have made very clear that they want you to wear it with the pants, which I totally will, but I'll totally wear it separate too. But it's very cute. It's real lightweight and soft jersey fabric. It's comfy. I will try it on for you guys. Don't worry. But yeah, I really like this so far. So that's good. And last, we have the pants. And these are by O'Neill, and they are 2X, and so is the top. And I am just like astounded by that. And they're really cute. These are called the Breezy Beach Pant, which is like all I ever want to wear ever. Oh, they're so cute. Please, but oh, I think we might be okay, y'all. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute. Really cute print. Palm leaves. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. These retail for $59.50. The Breezy Beach Pant offers an elevated styling of an easygoing staple. Popular requests from the Beachly tribe, y'all. Comfy, stylish pants feature straight leg, all over floral print. Perfect for slightly warm spring days. But I am very excited to wear these. And they are a little thin. I'm looking at them. I mean, you're probably okay. Just like wear white underwear or use them for the beach. I will certainly be wearing those pants because my usual, when I go shopping, I tend to go right to the bathing suit cover-ups as dresses because they're cute. And then I say, oh crap, it's a bathing suit cover-up. And then I say, well, you know what? Who cares? Ain't nobody gonna know. If I didn't know, nobody else is gonna know. So I popped that sucker on and I am a happy gal. So I love this and I'm gonna go try this on for you. So I'll be back. Okay, and we're back and I've got the full outfit on here. I've got the shirt, the pants, and the bag. And I love this. It is so cute, so comfortable. The shirt fits perfect. I love that the armholes are like normal and not like down to my like love handles because I'm not about that life. But I love it. This would be super cute by itself with a little jacket, totally. The pants. Can we see the pants? Can we see them? They're fabulous. I love them. I don't know if I'd wear it like this, like maybe like if I had the right underwear on, 'cause I definitely don't. But I think I would wear it like this, maybe with a jacket, just to kind of like, I have a short waist, so I would try to bring it up a little bit. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. They're not bad here. But I prefer this kind of style for me. But they're very comfortable. They fit perfect. And I wear about a 14 extra large usually, so that's why I keep sizing up because things run small, y'all know. So even though I technically wear like a 14 extra large, I figured the 2X would be better, and I'm super glad I did that. The bag, super cute with the outfit. I love it. It's fantastic. And I am very excited to see what comes in the next box. And I hope you guys loved this video. I hope you liked a little bit of different try-on part. If you want to see more fashion stuff, please let me know. I'm excited to do some of that soon, coming up for summer. Maybe some swimsuit try-ons for curvy girls. Let me know what you want to see. But also, if you guys are interested in subscribing to the Beachly box, my link is down in the description box with my code to get $25 off your first box. So that's like 25% off. It's about $100 a box. So, and it is less expensive if you are an annual subscriber instead of a monthly subscriber. So take that into consideration and keep an eye on my social media accounts on Instagram mostly, for updates on the new Beachly stuff, and also their Instagram account as well. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!